I asked you to teach me, would you tell me your ways? If I asked you to leave me, wonder what you would say. Overthink every baby and maybe lately I've been going insane. Hey, you're a real sweet talker, all the boys and the girls are wishing that they could be you or that they could be yours. And I asked you to help me, you said it was easy. Just turn off your feelings, fuck the heart, you can keep it. So welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you, to numb the pain, don't you? Wish you could wish it away, all of these tears gone. I hope you had fun, I should've known better. I should've. Welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you, to numb the pain, don't you? Wish you could wish it away, all of these tears gone. I hope you had fun, I should've known better. I should've known better. My bad, I'm fucking with you again. So sad, found out I'm a hot bandit. And you got that look in your eyes, and every word with a sigh. I think I'm making you cry. Someday I'll look back on what I told you and I'll regret it. And I'm not usually this way, I'm normally quite sensitive. I'm overwhelming you, I know I overestimate myself. But if you wanna know how to do it, then you're welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you, to numb the pain, don't you? Wish you could wish it away, all of these tears gone. I hope you had fun, I should've known better. I should've. Welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you, to numb the pain, don't you? Wish you could wish it away, all of these tears gone. I hope you had fun, I should've known better. I should've known better.
All right, let's get started. I need to. There we go. Okay. Thoughts. And I just ain't shit even happening. Yeah, because I'm waiting. Forgot where there's. I don't understand what's why this isn't working. Um, this might be wrong. Something somewhere is wrong. Somewhere something. What? It's. Oh, what? Why is this doing that? That's horrible. Whatever. It is. Well, I guess what you can see. It's saying there's no refresh token set, but I know that there is. So I don't know why. Don't know why that's happening. Trying to figure that out. So we're gonna go here. I need to like think through where we're setting stuff. Take credentials. Take it credentials. Yes. Get token. Get token. That's in. Access was. I don't understand why it just suddenly doesn't work. Like working fine, and now it just doesn't work. Why? Oh, it's 2K. Yeah, let's get token. Good. Yes, we're doing this. All right, let's focus. Oh yeah, we also have a whole new problem where for some reason rollup is compiling this command. This is not getting exported. Like what am I trying to say? You go here. The implementation of command in rollup happens you happens after beta, and I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that. You know, a solution I just thought of might work. If we make this into a function, it might. Actually, hold up. Essentially, just make a new connector. Hold on. Let me choose. Try this. What? Try this. See if this works. Yeah, I don't understand why it's just like importing it or exporting it just objectively incorrectly. Does this work? That's okay. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna make them. I'm just gonna make a function that makes a command, and that should work. If I hope hard enough. I say that should work, but I literally have no idea. why this doesn't work in the first place. So, works not. By work, I mean literally runs. Because before it's like it's running and then hitting some error with the API, and that's a different problem. But I need to like actually work. I guess I could have literally just opened this and seen it work. Which I don't think it will. But we'll see. I think it's like I think it's a circular dependency thing now that I think about it, because this file is importing. They're both importing each other, but this is dependent, so it shouldn't. What I think I'll do is, yeah, okay, it's running into the same problem, which is a dumb problem to be having. But what I think I will do is, I don't like having all of this in the same file, but that's okay. What we can do is move this into the index. I don't like using index for like actual stuff if I can help it, but that's fine. Why that's why I should move all of this, and then we give this file command, pull this list command. I really don't know. My naming scheme for stuff is so inconsistent. I think we're gonna make these capital camel. Just because that's how I used to do it in JavaScript. Not in JavaScript, in Kotlin. Now everything's broken, but that's okay. Import that real quick. Export default. It's inconsistent because all of that damn Kotlin. Yep. Consume. Oh yeah, also command. What now? Nothing else gets imported from that. For I think I'm just gonna start, because I don't know, like my naming schema changed when I like started learning JavaScript, and then everything changed again. Whoa, what the hell? Whoa. I need to make a types thing real quick. Types. What do we call this? Call it Google Types. This to like. It feels a little bit cleaner when I have to. Everybody. Also, I need I don't know if I need show microwave, show mic, show mic. Is this mad now? Cannot redeclare exported. What? Oh. What? Yes. Okay. I don't know why that hurt my brain so much. We're gonna do it that way. Then we should export everything. I also don't think a command gets used anywhere, but we'll export it in just in case. That should be a bunch of broken stuff. I'll get to it when I get to it. Now we list commands. So this is that, yes. Eat-ass. Command has no exported member. Oh, yes. Correct. Alt export now. Okay. Build this. Hopefully this will fix very weird, dumb, annoying problem. Also remembering now why I had it. I used to have it, I would have an exec function or exec file that would just run this. I think I understand why I did that now. Because I can't get it to compile in a way that is less annoying. So what I think I'm gonna do is code something quick. First I need to change. This needs to now be. Actually, that's fine. It can stay that. It needs to go here. And we no longer need bang. Leave it there because why not? This and this. This. All gotta go. Bye bye. And we make a new file. This UKJS. And from UKJS we will require going into build. JS. Means we now need that to just export alt main run it, and I think this should work now, or at least yeah, I think this should be cleaner for the actual project files. So now all the build information will get sent to a folder, so it's not cluttering everything. Why is this here? Oh, okay, yeah, supposed to be there. I was like, what is happening here? I like how I have to freaking. I have a queue of bugs to get to. I literally like dependent upon each other. It's lovely. Okay. So What? Hello? What? Okay, no, it's there. It's just not updated. Okay. Jesus Christ. There we go. Okay, and let's add that shebang. Let's see if this runs. Let's switch file directory. What? 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 Element is not expert. That's objectively. Why do you? What do you? Where's main? Oh, it's because we are exporting the function. I don't know if that's. No, it doesn't fix it. I don't understand why this shebang isn't working. Oh, shebang. Exclamation user bin env node. Yeah, what is this fucking error mean? What is node /r? Is it referencing? Good idea. Yeah. Good. Oh, what the heck? Did I just clear it? Yeah. Oh, okay. It looks like there's just some random. Might be in a character. I think it's a filing code. Which? This. Yep, file encoding. Awesome. Okay. Well, we fixed the bug about circular dependency. Now we have a new bug. Yeah, let's do. Want to ignore build. Weeks. Build. Okay. Now we can get back to the more annoying issue. I need to track. Hold on. Oh, that should be fine. I need to think about how the order of things again. So index. I'm gonna walk through the order of events. We had some listeners. Fine. Hold. I need this. This. Part of the. I think I have too many callbacks. I don't necessarily track back to this place. Gives me an interface. Give me a freaking implementation. That I want to. Yeah. Is this abstract again? No. I want to see how it's implemented, but I just... Cool. Maybe I should. I'm gonna sort this better. Like it's a large file, but it's like a mess. Let's sort this, and then we can. Probably get a better idea of what's breaking and what. So let's. Okay. How do we want to separate? I don't think auth gets. Oh, it does. Auth gets used a couple places. That's fine. We can still just. Copy. Nope, gets used. All of this. Don't need file or cool. The that text table words word stuff. Yeah, that's it. Well, currently, exactly what I'm doing is reorganizing, refactoring some code so it's a little bit more discernible. But for all, we're making a chatbot for the YouTube live stream. Let me rename this. I want this to be interact with chat. We can call this API, but I feel like it's disingenuous. Auth info. I'll just call it chat for now. That's fine. We want to this. Okay. Lots of broken things in here. But that's fine. I want to make this more clear. See. Scope only gets used once, and don't really care to have it filling up stuff there, so we're just gonna authorize. I don't know. I'm gonna see if it's this trigger. This should trigger this. Go to the server. See what we're actually calling. Oops. You hint. Where's the fucking hint? Whatever. Deal with that later. I still want that redacts. We'll type it out. There we go. It's fine. Okay. Now we can actually kind of see what's happening in a way. This. The problem that we're reaching is that for some reason it thinks there's no token set. Let's just backtrack and see where we would actually attempt to find the token. Everything's broken in here, but that's fine. I'll fix it in a second. None of this happens immediately, so it doesn't matter. Everything gets initial. Everything starts breaking here. Well, start the game. Start the bot. Add some listeners, whatever. We try to load tokens. Loading the tokens goes through here. Find tokens. Try to load them. Set this. We have token listeners here. And we have token listeners here. One of these is unnecessary. Because, where is it? Authorize this. Should always call this. Let's remove this. This is repeated. And just say return here. That way it will always do this. So if we have tokens, try to read them. Yes, if we have tokens, try to read them. If tokens. This instead. I don't know why I wrote it this way. It doesn't actually make a lot of sense. There should be credentials. I'm gonna write this as a try catch. Token was this. We'll just leave this as undefined. I guess it's gonna be undefined automatically. A bit more. Otherwise, it's log error. Continue. Now, if tokens is real, I load them, set them, and return. Otherwise, log that we don't have any safe tokens, and we continue. As far as I'm concerned, this should be working. Because we don't get the error until we try to make a request with the auth. This is async. We're waiting. This async? No. Shouldn't be, anyway. Good. And we set it. Tokens are updated. We write tokens to string, write them to file. This is credentials, yes. Could be, for allowing these, this could be async. So I think I can't await in here, can I? No. Oof. What I okay, what I'll do is this. We'll do promise all. Wait that. Now we can handle them if they are async attacks. Good. Not like we're not. This I can move. Well, not like the freaking tokens are not getting saved. That's like not the issue. It's ever so confusing. Why anything is breaking. Well, for starters, I'm gonna delete the contents of the token file that way. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, hold up. It'd be fine. Let me open up a incognito window so I can try and force a relog in. But to do that, I need this to actually work again. So let's import some stuff. All I need to do here, deleting these which no longer exist here, and this should work now. I'm confused why this is mad now. On chat updates still gets exported, yeah. Not exist on type import YouTube, but it does. What? Oh, go. Go. That fixes that. Let's try and build it. It's actually so much nicer. Actually, like, differentiate where stuff is happening. It's good. This can be that if it's gonna erased anyway. This. Blah blah blah. I'm so tempted to add my freaking logger, my favorite logging program or logging plugin. Get that in a second. All right. Other imports that are broken. Where is that? Pt.2 from YouTube. Deck chatters and cool. That fixes that. I'm trying to remember what my npm wins. think it's I think the logger is called Winston. I'm gonna add it because I'm very tired of writing log. Yeah, Winston Logger. He's a logger from the moon who are. Me find a project where I'm already using this, so I don't have to rewrite. Station. I thought I was using it in. Am I not using it? I am. Where the hell is it? Ah, here we go. Okay. We'll add it here. Let's add. Okay. We're gonna leave it on debug. Okay, now I have a much nicer logger. Debug. Let's do this. Was another instance of me importing log. Okay, I'll just go through them as I find them. I wanted to get works now, and now it should break. Expecting it to break, or at least not go all the way through. I can log in to the browser, and then it should. Oh, no, that's good. Okay, hold on. Let me log it there. Failed to parse page. Okay, that's good. So, no such file. What? Build assets index. Shit. I needed to roll up the assets folder. Okay, time to Google a rollup thing. Rollup just needed to copy a folder. Be easy enough. Wow, I need a freaking plugin for him. That's fine. Add that. Copy. This. Quotes. Copy. Source is assets. I'm going to copy it into build. Alright, it's almost done installing. Hopefully this works. Otherwise, it'd be slightly annoying, but that's okay. We can change this to logger while we're waiting. Checking or debug. Save token found. I guess to parse tokens. Fail to parse save tokens. But using guess we can do this. Now if it doesn't parse that, and that way it will return. Good. Okay, I think that's better. Let's see if this plugin will work. Holy stutter, what is it indexing? Why is it re-indexing the whole freaking node modules? What? Okay. that's building. Let's think about the next thing we need to. We've added more clarification to the load tokens, which is good. I really wanted to spend today making tests, but I need this to work before I work on the tests so that I can actually be confident that the test do anything. Logger, we can debug. Getting token. Callback code. Test. We don't do that around here. True. True. Speak of true. Look. Okay. It built. Did it copy the assets folder? Nice. All right. Let's try to run it. From here. This shouldn't be called authorized. I think this is less. Call this site cred. Beep boop. Fail to parse tokens. Blah blah blah. Oh, I think it needs to do. Yeah, there we go. That needs to be an object. Lest it is horribly deformed. All right. Now you load the page now. Yes. Let's log in. Cool, cool. I saw something happen and I think it's that it broke. Yep, okay. That is 200. Okay. Crash. Lovely. Wait, what? Token updated 100. Where am I logging the freaking off? What is that? Wait, actually though, what is this? I have no idea what is that login? Oh yeah, also is my freaking info debug. I think I turned off the timestamp, which is fine. It looks cooler with the timestamp, but it doesn't matter. New question. Did not save the tokens? I don't know. Or it did, but in here, maybe? Wait, what? I am confused. See. This is gonna. The root of the project should be this. Actually, calls into question, what is server? Server is trying to reload from, not from the root of the project. That, okay. I think if I change it to the root of the project, it should work without this, in which case I don't need the other thing at all. Oh no, because it's trying to get. I don't think I need this, to be honest. I think this should work fine. Then famous last. We'll see. Right. Question. Where is this getting printed? After attempting to track chat stuff. Track chat. Logger. Big. I think find chat is where it's breaking, yes? Pretty sure find chat is where it's breaking. Means get broadcast is breaking. Means it still thinks it doesn't have. Wait, I'm actually really confused as to where this is getting logged. Actually very confused as to where some of these things are coming from. Looking updated. That shouldn't be the thing. Oh, here it is. Not. Right, maybe. I think so, yeah. Token. Okay. Why the fuck? Why the heck? Get a tokens updated. Yes, okay. Tokens updated. Let's do this. Tokens updated. Running listeners. Info. Writing tokens. Beep boop. Now it doesn't exist. Why doesn't it? We're waiting this. We're waiting this on. Okay. Okay. I think this should be fine though, because this is only happening after after we set the credentials. Like this doesn't matter that it is, if like I thought for a second that this needed to happen in a specific order. But like this is none of this fucking matters. The question is why is it behaving in this way? I don't understand. I like that there's that this exists, but I think I'm going to do it my own way. Like this. Look it into the actual thing, actual function that we should be calling. And now I want to make sure that we're only using this. The server should be doing the same thing. Wait. Having like an inconsistent naming scheme. I'm gonna call. We're just gonna refer to credentials as tokens. Come on. Okay. Now it should be a little bit cleaner. Let's see if we can narrow down again. You know, go here. For some reason, it's saying that this isn't authorized. Let's do this. Uh, Get non-expired assets. Song request. There is no song request. I don't know why you thought that existed, but I will add it. There's no way you just tried to song request the 10 hours spun the graphs fucking thing. Are you the bot? Are you the bot now, Tony? Longer credentials. Also, I didn't realize there was like a refresh. Receives the access token using a refresh token. Really? Gosh. I was always a bot. Stop playing the fucking 10 hours SpongeBob robot. Already losing my mind. Oh, okay. Seems like it does the refreshing on it. Okay, let's build this. Whoops, didn't mean to fucking interrupt it. Build this. I'm gonna look for this line. And if it doesn't work, we will be thoroughly confused. Beep boop boop bop boop beep. Tony, what do you even do? What do you do all day? Are you at the office? Nothing good. There's an imported helper named. Okay. Great. It printed the error, and the error does not. I'll do a little something. Eat then watch your stream. I just look up stuff. Pass must be absolute or specify a root. Well, yes, I do need to have it do that. Ooh, wait. The credentials isn't thing. And these tokens now. Okay. Build this again. I was kind of hoping that would work. That's okay. I really hope we figure out why the auth thing is like very. It's like it's not even like it can't be an expired token, right? Because literally logging in and then using that exact token that I just logged in with. Send the thing. Let's go to auth. And also server. What's the sequence of events? Redirect, we come back, we get the code. Use callback, and we use code get tokens, get the tokens, we set the token. Who is auth code info token. Let's do that. Okay. I think I really do need to get NodeMon running TC, running TypeScript. NodeMon TypeScript. I know there's a way to do this. Let's just make this a lot easier, I think. Oh, what? It just worked. What? 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 I'm so confused. You're welcome. Yeah, okay, thanks. I am so, what did I change that fixed it, bro? What? It's also good to know that I'm the quarter reset. Bro, I don't understand. I don't understand. What the fuck? What? Okay, I guess it works now. Okay, let's see if it works with the loaded, with the saved tokens. It works with the saved tokens, and I just don't know. It worked with the saved token. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't know. Also, I don't know why I'm using rollup now that I think about it. Well, it kind of does the same thing. I think it's better. We'll keep using it. So I don't know what I don't know what fix bug. Don't know how or what it was. These are the moments that I think about when people ask me if or like say that I'm like super smart because I know how to program. I don't do I know how to program? I'm not sure because I just as far as I'm concerned, I renamed a couple variables and I added a bunch of log statements and now it works. Now it works. I have literally no idea. It didn't even get to where is. Didn't even print the object. It printed this as object. Wait, hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna remove this. And if this line is what makes it work, I'm going to lose my shit. It won't, it shouldn't be what makes it work, but if it is, I'm gonna laugh so fucking hard. Sounds like programming to me, yep. Yep. Oh, we should add get or headers get should pretty sure don't I have a function to oh no, it's just in here. Listeners page. Oh, here it is. I want to double bind these. Nope, still works. Okay, no idea. Not a single clue why it works now. I'm going to double bind this. This map so that we can get people by name as well. Let's use a display name. Like that would just be really very convenient. Good. So we should, yeah. This would, I think, would be good for tagged because I don't know if there's like a tagged user property. I should check that. Hold up. Chat message. Details E tag. I have no idea what E tag is. This is what I want. Display message, fan funding, gifts, live, gift. Not seem like there's any way to package other codes. We're actually gonna need this if we want to do any like directed parameters at specific people. That is to get in. These, if they're double bound, this doesn't actually need to be two different. Yeah, this doesn't need to be two things. Get chatter, UID or name. UID or name. Cool. Okay. Why did it just start working? I can't live like this. Well, now I really want to write the test so that we can do stuff without using up the quota. Quota is 10,000 a day, which I think we managed to reach because we were calling them at sub-second intervals yesterday. Which would definitely do it. That'd definitely do it. Let me think. What are we going to... We're gonna write tests. What do we need to test? We need to be able to test commands. What testing system should I use? We could use Mocha. Use Jess. Let's see. I don't remember which one I preferred. Mocha. Just. Just matters that they can work in. Pretty sure both of them can. Can't imagine either of them not being able to work in TypeScript. I think we'll just use Jest. It's been a while since I've actually written a TypeScript, but yarn add Jest. What does it want for TypeScript? Jest supports TypeScript for your 5 Babel. First, make sure you follow these Babel. Oh my god, it wants whatever. Babel Jest. Babel for Babel that Babel that. Now if I'm using Babel for this, I might as well just might change to Babel for the build file or the build system, but I don't really want to. Okay. Okie dokie. While that's installing, let's get our directory set up. And what are we gonna call it? Like eat ass. Oh, we need to mock. Need to mock. Actually, like most of these. Oh, okay, there we go. Uninstalling, cool. We need to make a config file. It just has a setup thing? I don't remember doing this. Whoops. Remember this being a thing. No test found, exited. What? Oh. Oopsies. We like to use jest when running tests. Yes. We like to use TypeScript. Yes. Test environment node. Add coverage reports. Yes. Provider will VA automatically clear mock calls for every test. Yes. All right. Config found. Yes. Config. Didn't make up.
I did not even know that there was drawing left until I started playing video games. I'm not even kidding. Like, pew pew, brain serotonin. Okay, Killer Man, I like it. Listen, I think that you've gotten the wrong impression. Yeah. You say you love me, but I don't love the pressure. Oh, call me baby, I'll be calling you never.
We will see. Good. Whoa, there's a lot. Holy shit. All imported molecules in your test be mocked automatically. Cool. Without running tests. Oh, bail. Directory where jest should store its changed. Clear mocks, collect coverage, array of regex, skip coverage collection. Yes. Further names just running. Dependency structure, fake timer, setup, coverage match, globals. Brave directory name that should search recursively from the requiring modules. Brave file extensions your modules use. Jesus Christ. This. All right, leave it like that for now. Let's make a Babel config. Didn't make one for me, which is insane. Also, time. Whoops. New file. Babel.config.js. This Babel.2, it's a build tool. Just another build tool for yeah, vague understanding. Let me just keep forgetting to look it up. Why do you need it versus rollup? I need it because Jest and Facebook use it. And so to use Jest with TypeScript, it seems that I need to have Babel because that's just the hook that it connects to. Babel is a JavaScript compiler. That's what it is, self-proclaimed. Honestly, might switch to Babel if I'm gonna use it for Jest, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is. This guy's making tests. Yeah, I'm making a test because I don't want to use up my quota to run the tests. I'm also gonna end the stream in like 20 minutes. So I think we're gonna put the test the testing on hold. Do this testing next time. Actually. And instead of doing tests, you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna fucking do a command. Oh yeah, you wanna hold up, let me sounds good, about to leave for work anyway, nice. Or leave work or anyway. Yeah, we're gonna run it, we're gonna test. We're gonna test beat ass. Also, just remember, we have a monetary system now, but it doesn't do anything because it doesn't. Wants monetary system. Yes. We want. I think I need to. I want to add some hooks to this, so I think I'm gonna have to change it a bit. We'll do this and groupies. Think map string third. And export default will be. We will add some functions. I just need functions to overwrite the map operations, basically. Now let's try this. Beat ass. Nothing happened. Why did nothing happen? Something is supposed to happen. But nothing happened. Okay. That's definitely weird. That's some debug stuff. longer to debug. Yes. You want. Alright, my name. And my name. It should still work. I don't know why this would. Everything else is working. This definitely. Oh, what? Dude, why isn't it like? Why is it importing console log everywhere, dude? It's so weird. Whatever. Hold on, we need to make some functions. Const. I think. I don't know. UIDs. ID. Const. Add to account. Oh wait, it's gonna be under. That's like. Get wallet. We'll call it wallet. Wallet's easier. Add money. UID. String. Amount. There's no integer, is there? Nope. That's annoying. Whatever. I'll just have to make sure that it's always an integer. Like round down. There shouldn't be any instance where it's. We'll just make it as pure as possible. Bank UID equal bank UID plus amount. Const. Money. UID string amount number, and it's exactly the same as adding, but backwards. Const. That's all we need to do. Yes. Yes. What we need. Oh, we actually need to be able to add people to the bank. What we'll do is if this doesn't exist. Okay, this is no longer to be inlined, which is fine. Actually, wait. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we'll do this instead. We'll just make it a separate one. Add wallet. Hold up. Let me check where we're actually using this. It should be in chat. Yeah, okay. So get wallet won't be inline, but that's fine. If they have a bank account, turn it. If they don't need this to be. If they don't, then we will create it. D equals 0 and return. So this should be like this instead. If they don't have a bank account, make one and then return it. Much better. If no bank 0, return. Yes, okay, cool. Now we export all of this. 20. Wait, now that I think about it, none of this is going to be inlined because we need to add hooks. Or I guess we need to specifically add one hook. Const save bank async means everything else has to be async now. And what's going to happen here is we're going to do JSON string by bank. Load bank. We'll async. File dot write. We're gonna need it again. Bank file. What we're gonna call it? Put it in private. It doesn't really need to be in private, but whatever. Bank JSON. Bank file. This doesn't even need to be async. I promise anyway. File this bank file. Oh, okay. Here's another thing we should do. Actually, should do. We're only load bank. We only load the bank from file at the beginning. But we still need to call it. Kind of annoying. Private anyway, so it's fine if it's and should be fine. Now if we go load bank, if it exists, bank equals file wait, file dot read bank file JSON parse. Actually, not sure how. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought would happen. Not sure how. What was I trying to say? I'm not sure how. Freaking. How map gets serialized. Why is this mad? Oh, Frank thinks it's a buffer. If it exists, otherwise, bank equals a. I think this will work. Save bank is just going to get called after every operation. Except for this one, actually. Every operation except for the one that doesn't need to be asynchronous. Save bank. Save bank. I'm really not sure how map gets serialized. Just kind of worried about, but we'll see. We also don't have a way to gain money. Wait, hold up. We can just make it so that make it so that everyone's starts with 100. Why not? Make it a const. Starting. Count. Starting. Call it. Good. Okay, everyone starts out with some amount of money. Really worried about how map is going to get serialized. It should parse fine. I don't think there's no logical reason why it wouldn't, other than the fact that it's JavaScript. There is no logic. We will see how it goes. And now we need to go to the root command because money system bank is no longer a thing. What we want to do now is money system remove money dot cost. Why is this mad? Oh yes, it needs a person. Author details. Oh no, we saved it. But we only saved it because we needed to use it twice. Now we don't need to save it. Oh, piss off. If can afford. How do we rank can afford? This is our costs, money system, get wallet. Wallet as less than the cost. Wait, if it has a cost, turn true if cost is less than or equal to the amount of money they have. Otherwise, if there's no cost, always return true. Cool, yes. This is an quicker way to write this, I think. I think this will work as... Oh no. Cost and... whatever, this is easy. This is more readable. We'll leave it like this. Still need to add a rate limiter. That's fine, we can add that later. Alright, let's try and build. So let me check on my quota usage. We are at 10% of the quota. 10% just, I feel like it's, you make the polling rate slower. Honestly, this quota is kind of, it's not really enough. We will see. How does BDAS work again? Get a random chatter. Oh, you know, we might as well add a helper function that just gets a random chatter. I feel like we're gonna end up doing that a lot. Random. YouTube exclude. Is empty. Good. Okay. As. What's the? I could have sworn there's. Bring unshift values. Wait, what? Is there? It includes. There it is. I could have sworn it was. Filter and then return random there. Cool. Now we can replace this with get random. And we want to exclude ourselves. Oh, and it crashed. Why'd it crash? Yeah, we should probably add some logger stuff. Logger. Ooh. For save bank. Loadings. Info. Yeah. Save it back. Okay, better. Why did it break? If bank UID. Broke here. Cannot read properties of undefined. Bank is somehow undefined. We never call load bank. That checks. We'll call it here. No, it has to be in main. That's okay. Do sorts. So actually, money monetary from monetary bank like this. Duplicate it in. Whatever. Just do that. Also, we're gonna call this. I'm just gonna do freaking outline name files now. Hop over here and do. It should happen after this. Wait. Money system dot load bank. Oh, no, actually does need the money system. Otherwise, it tries to do that. Don't want. Cool. All right, let's try this. Try this. If we get the money system working for BDAS, we will call the stream there. Or I should say we will call the stream when I get this working. All right. Okay. What? Okay. We're gonna call it there. Thanks for coming by to the stream. I know it was a short one today, but we'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Like and subscribe. Donates in the chat or in the fucking description. I'll see you guys tomorrow.